Kiinteistöskehtiö Puimuripuisto.
Today is the 4th of May 2022. We have Pukinmäenkaari, Boxbackabogen, 3 to 5, staircase F here in Malmi, close to Pukinmäki, Boxbacka here in Helsinki, Finland, Finland, and the capacity is 4 persons, so 325 grams, and we still need to get to the staircases G and L, 2 more to go. And it was built in 1993, finished in 1993, turning 30 years old in the next year, 2023, when it's going to be inspected again. And the number is H67491. And this one doesn't have it, but H has the green star by the first button on the main floor there.
Yeah.
Some have oscillation on it. It's different.
Yeah.
Silent ride.
Expected Pukinmäenkaari maintained by Spagis.
It's a bit dark inside, but I like the smells in here.
Same.
That's it. Thank you very much. The 2 left.
That's